today, of course, we're going to be making the really rather wonderful gin basil smash. So what we're going to need to do here is we are going to need to put in a big handful of fresh basil. Now you need the leaves, the stalks, the whole kit and caboodle. And then you're going to need to give this a bit of a muddle. It's obviously a Ponzi bartender's term for crushing it with a stick. But anyway, if you've got a muddler, rolling pin, whatever, you're going to need to give this a bit of a bash just to really try and release all of that aromatic flavour from the basil. So, okay, once you're happy with that, you can add in the other ingredients. So we're going to go for a good 60 mils of high quality gin. So let's get it maybe 15, 30, 45 and 60. Then we're going to add in a citrus element, so we're going to go with lemon. We're going to go with 30 mils of that, so just two of these little measures, there's 1 and 2. And then of course we need to sweeten it up a little bit, so we're going to add in some sugar syrup. Now, I like things on the dry side, so I'm going to go with 15 mils. Some people prefer 20, but that's just the way I like it. So I'm going to add that in there. Now we need some ice, of course. Into the shaker, like that. Put the top on. Give it a shake. Once you're happy with that, I'm just going to take this apart. And all that remains is to pour this into our ice-filled glass, like so. You need to fine strain this because you will have, having muddled that basil, you will have a lot of little bits of leaves in there. And you should just have this lovely kind of mid to pale green colour. And there we go, that's fantastic. Put that in there. And you're just going to add in some extra basil that we kept behind as our garnish. There you have the really rather incredible gin basil smash.